And a good morning. Thanks for joining us for our midday newscast. I'm Marcus Washington. Well, it is a big day for some high schools in Marin County. This is following the entry into the red tier. Novato Unified School District is beginning hybrid learning at its high schools. NBC Bay Area, Cierra Johnson, she's live in Novato High School. This is where those students return to their school for the first time, get this, in nearly a year, Cierra.
Yes, good morning, Marcus. It's March 1st, but it is also the first day of school for freshmen and sophomores at 3 of the schools here in Marin County, one of which, Novato. All is quiet outside, but inside a lot of learning, I'm hoping, is going on there with this school. This, after nearly 11 months of virtual learning, we begin the hybrid process right now. Now, this return to school was originally scheduled for January 4th, but at the time, Marin County was in the purple tier. The red tier is now allowed for districts to implement that hybrid learning plan, which divides the 3 high schools into 2 groups. Group 1 attends school Monday and Tuesday in person. Group 2 Thursday, Friday in person, and on Wednesday everyone is virtual. This week grades 9 and 10 return to school, and next week the district will bring in those 11th and 12th graders. Now, Superintendent Chris Koska says safety measures are in place, including filters on the HVAC systems, partitions on the desks, spacing between desks, as well as one-way traffic in the hallways to reduce that risk of spread. The superintendent says today was a long time coming and necessary for the success of the students in the district. Take a listen.
You know, kids like all human beings. For the most part, we're social beings. We do better when we're able to interact with our fellow human beings. These students have given up so much. They've sacrificed so much over the last year. You know, we've almost been off campus for a year. We need to get them back. We need to get them back with their peers. But we can only do that if we can do that safely.
And he also provided an update on the number of educators that have been vaccinated so far. At this point, 25% of the district's educators, rather the high school's educators, are vaccinated at this point. 100% will have received at least their first vaccine by the middle of this month, either through the county or their individual health care providers. Now, the superintendent said he understands this is a new process. It's really one of the first in the Bay Area to bring high schoolers back into the school. So he said he'll be working with the teachers at all of the high schools to see what worked, what didn't work, what needs to be tweaked to ensure when those other students are brought in, it is a seamless process and we can proceed with the rest of the school year with this hybrid model. We're live in Marin County. Cierra Johnson for Today in the Bay.